Hello everyone! This video is not a review video. This is a flight sample video. This is the Mobula6 ELRS edition from Happy Model, and it's got some unique 702 motors on it. I'm going out of town with my family for a few days, so this is going to be delayed until deeper into next week, maybe even longer. So I thought I would give you a flight sample of it, but you do need to know that these motors that Angry Don requested, got in contact with me and he let me know he requested these motors 2 years ago, and he specifically wanted these motors for a whoop that weighed about 18 grams. Unfortunately, Angry Don is not with Team Happy Model anymore, and now his motors have come out, but they're not on the quad that he wanted. So anyways, I just thought I should pass that information along for anybody who might be confused, and I hope you enjoy this flight. I think we're going to see more than just a few crashes.